Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So friends, this is a mega off-campus hiring for the internship role at Microsoft, IBM and Vans. So this is a freshers opportunity where all the graduate candidates who are currently pursuing their degree from any branches or discipline can apply for this opportunity. So let's see more details about the openings. First hiring is from IBM. So IBM is hiring for their software developer intern at Bangalore location. So talking about who are eligible for this internship, then the candidates who are currently pursuing their graduation or post-graduation from any branches or field can apply for this opportunity. So talking about the skills, then you should be having basic understanding in any of the programming languages where the Java language will be preferred. And also you should be having the knowledge in cloud computing with a proficient in data structures and algorithm. Second hiring is from Vans. Vans is hiring for their iOS intern. Candidates who are currently in their final or pre-final year from any branches or discipline can apply for this internship, where you should be having the knowledge related to iOS development with a good command in Swift or iOS related frameworks like UIKit or Code Data. Third hiring and the last hiring for this video is from Microsoft. So this is an international opportunity where the Microsoft is hiring for their Netherlands location. So this is an internship opportunity where you should be working in a hybrid model. So talking about who can apply for this internship, then the candidate who are currently pursuing or have recently completed their bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or related field can apply for this internship. So talking about the internship, then this internship will be of 6 months in a full-time mode where the program will start from the February 2024. So if you are eligible for this opportunity, then you must apply for all this hiring and also share with all your friends, those who are in their final or pre-final year from any specialization or branches. And also consider subscribing our channel to receive more off-campus job updates for freshers as well as experienced candidates. Thank you.